Hi everyone, in front of me I've got MOTOROLA Moto G34 and let me share with you how to check the serial number of this device. So let's start with a secret code. We have to open the dialer and enter the code, which is *#06#. And as you can see right here at the bottom of this pop-up window, we've got the serial number of this device. Let's tap on OK and let me show you another way. So let's enter the settings. Here scroll down to the very bottom and find about phone. And right here we have to scroll, maybe not all the way down. We have to localize the model. Let's tap on it, and as you can see on the second position we've got the serial number of this device. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.